Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to prepare onion rings. The ingredients that I'll be using today are the onion rings. Of course, I've used the white onion, breadcrumbs, some wheat flour, 1 egg, some salt, paprika, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, black pepper, half a teaspoon, and some milk. This is 3/4 cup of milk. So guys, let's start preparing this. So I will pour the wheat flour. I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, some salt, some paprika, then I will mix the flour. Now, once the flour is mixed up together, you take the onion ring and you pass it through this flour. You got the flour, you shake the excess flour, you set it aside. You do the same to the other ones, like this. There you go. Make sure you coat each and every side. Our onion rings are covered with the mixture, the flour mixture. So what I will do, the remaining flour now, I will take it and then add the other ingredients. I'll add the egg, I'll add also some black pepper. I'll add a little bit of flour. I'll add a little bit of salt. Then I'll add my milk. I won't put all of it. Then I mix. Continue mixing while I add the rest of the milk to make a paste. So as you can see, our flour is smooth and thick. So what I will do now is I will take the onion rings, these onion rings, I will take one by one, dip it on the flour, and then put it here on the breadcrumbs. Okay, let's start. So my onion ring, dip it here. I cover it with the flour, like this. Shake it to remove the excess. Make sure everywhere is coated. Then, once everything is out, you put it here on the breadcrumbs. You cut like this. You see? Like that. Then you shake the excess and put it aside. You take another one, dip it, cut it like this, shake again, shake completely, dip it here, cut with breadcrumbs, cut kabisa, then shake, set it aside. We repeat this until all the onion rings are coated with the flour and the breadcrumbs. Then I will show you how we fry them. So now my onion rings are ready. This is my onion ring. I will add them on the flour. Add another one. So you fry them until they are golden brown. Then you remove. Like for these ones are ready. This is how they look. They're looking so yummy. I know we will enjoy. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Share us if you can with your friends, your family. And God will bless you. Okay? So these ones I will remove and then add the rest of the others. So you continue the process until every breadcrumb every onion ring that you coated is well done. So these ones are ready too. I will remove them. So this is how they look. You can see, very nice and well done. We have a side plate of some ketchup that we are going to take with them. So this is how they are. They are so yummy and easy to prepare also. As I said, in this channel we are making the easiest recipes that we can do with even our teenage girls and boys.